welcome to Autom Packaging Machinery. So today we will introduce you the paste filling machine. This model is ATM-320L. It is suitable for packing oil, honey, water, juice, ketchup, paste, lotion, cream, and so on. So let's go and see the machine. Look at this part. It is the roughing installation part. The film will go through this shaft to the back former here. Here it is the back former. Look at this part. It is the mid-sealing device. Here it is the end sealing device. Look at this part. It is the date printer. It can print production date, expire date, and the lot numbers. Here is the ribbon roll. The date printer is working synchronized with the vertical package machine. Here is the character base. We can put characters here 3 lines. Each line can be put maximum 15 characters. It is the color code sensor. It can track the color code on the film automatically to make the back lens. Here it is the paste filling pump. It includes 2 parts. The first part is the paste storage tank. Inside, we designed the stir to mix the paste. It is the second part, the paste filling pump. It is pneumatic controlled. It can measure the paste volume to measure its high precision. All these 2 parts are made food grade stainless steel 304. If you are interested in our liquid package machine, please send us inquiry info@autompack.com. Thank you for checking our paste package machine today. Thank you. Bye.